So you are thinking about purchasing a home and making the move here to Nashville, Tennessee, but you've been waiting to pull the trigger because you're waiting for interest rates to drop. Well, that is great because today we're going to talk about what interest rates are doing in 2024. So folks, we all know that the COVID years were absolutely crazy and we saw interest rates hit an all-time record low. In January of 2021, the average 30-year fixed rate reached its lowest point of 2.65%. And the real estate market was just as wild, with buyers waiving inspections, paying all cash, and paying way over asking in some instances. Heck, my wife and I even purchased our home sight unseen. You know, the first time we actually set foot in our home was the day we moved in. So personally, I don't miss trying to buy a home in that kind of market. You know, every home had multiple offers on it. Most of those offers had zero contingencies whatsoever, and oftentimes those offers were above asking, and it was a really tough market for buyers. But man, do I miss those interest rates, and I'm sure a lot of other folks are in that same boat. You know, we miss the days of low 2s and 3s. So the question is, will we ever get back to the world of interest rates in the 2s or 3s? Well, we've certainly seen the lowest of lows, and since the crazy times of COVID, we've sort of hit the opposite end of the spectrum, and now we've gotten the highest of highs, with interest rates on a 30-year mortgage hitting a 20-year high of 7.79%. But what is 2024 going to look like? Well, in its last meeting, the FOMC, or Federal Open Market Committee, voted to leave the benchmark federal funds rate unchanged between 5.25% and 5.5%. Well, for those who don't know, the federal funds rate is the overnight borrowing rate for commercial banks and credit unions, and it indirectly influences mortgage rates. So at the post-meeting press conference, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell reiterated that inflation is still well above the Fed's long-term sustainable 2% target rate, and policymakers released updated economic projections with a lower rate range in 2024 that included 3 cuts by year's end, implying that rate hikes are over for this cycle. So hopefully that stays consistent and we see interest rates continue to fall throughout the year. So what does that mean for mortgage rates in 2024? That means as we move further into 2024, rates will continue to ease and soften, and it's expected that rates could fall somewhere between 5.8% and 6.1% in 2024. For the week ending on January 25th, so this last week, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate stood at 6.69% according to Freddie Mac. Now, we definitely aren't saying that this is going to make the world of difference for everyone. You know, it is still a challenging time to buy a home for many folks in 2024, but it certainly is a positive move in the right direction for everyone. You know, with the lower interest rates, hopefully we'll see housing prices kind of soften a little bit, and we'll hopefully see the market pick back up again. Hopefully not quite as crazy as COVID, but hopefully we'll see the market pick up and start moving again at a more comfortable pace. And hopefully we'll see a lot of new homeowners happen in 2024. So folks, that is going to wrap up our video for the day. I hope that this has given you a little bit of an insight into what interest rates could be doing in 2024. And remember folks, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a personalized Zoom call with us so that we can help you make a smooth move here to Nashville, Tennessee. Until next time, I hope to see you around town soon.